welcome back to another video. And today, I apologize about all the noise, but today we have Billy here. Yeah, before this video, I just changed your outfit. And we have the Play-Doh Minion Hair Salon set. So, what you do is basically like, you just grow the hair and cut it. So, Bailey's gonna sit here and help us. So first, let's grow the hair. Let's do this figure. And I have this perfect pink Play-Doh. Sorry guys, I'm not filming it. Here, let me film her. Sorry guys, I have to put you down. Alright, that's my rug down there. I opened it. Now it's just... It might look a little shiny on the camera. Focus. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to make it focus a little more. I'm good. Okay. Let's take this Play-Doh. Sorry guys, I'm gonna put it and like this. Let's get some more. So, cut it. I can't really do it with one hand holding the camera. So, sorry, I'm not filming her, but I can't really. Alright, this video is gonna be a little hard. I think that might be enough. So now, no, wait. I'm gonna just put you guys down. There we go. Now we put him on here, and we push down. And then we'll have Bailey cut it. You can push the side of the chair. It's hard. I really need a stronger person to do this. If you can see, here's a lot of him. I think that's as far as it's gonna get. Okay, Bailey, sorry guys. Well, it's a boy, so why don't we use the razor? Okay. Well, what do you want to use? Even though it's a boy, I want to use the scissors. Okay, that's fine. Oh, wait. Let me just face. Be doing that. Cut. Wait, what am I doing? Sorry, guys. Sorry guys, it's my sister. Alright. Twist him. Okay. Wow, you did a good job. Alrighty. Jump. See what's stuck in there. Oh my gosh, it's gone. Alrighty. Back. Face you back. And, well, we're not going to do this guy. And that will be the end of the video. So, bye, subscribe. And I hope you like this video. Goodbye.